6.03587. When you want answer up to 2 decimal place, we see the third one. Third one is exact 5. Then what to do? Check previous one. This is the rule, no? Check previous. If odd, increase by 1. So this is 5. This is odd. So increase by 1. 6.04 is the required answer. Okay.
So this is the 20th question you're doing, right?
First question I am doing. First. Page number 19 ka first. Homework na I gave 1 to 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From that we are doing na 1 to 20 wala. Whichever you did wrong, that I will explain na, so that your 1 to 20 doubt solving is also completed. So first answer of page number 19 should be B. Second answer, is it C?
Yes, sir. 2 and 3.
All of you got same 2 and 3? Second one, all of you got 2 and 3, or shall I
Yes,
explain?
sir.
Okay. So first and second, you don't have any doubt. Third one. Which of the following is dimensionally correct? Dimensionally correct only if formula is correct. Na? Pressure formula, they are telling energy upon area. Is it correct? Pressure is force upon area. Na?
4, sir.
So this means not correct. B. Pressure is energy per unit volume. Energy upon volume. Let me check by converting into area. Volume is area into distance. Energy is force into distance because it is work. That means force
B,
upon
force
area.
upon area.
So this is matching, correct? So option is B, correct?
Yes, sir.
The answer. Fourth one got? Answer is B.
So I got it wrong.
Okay.
Sir, I got it as D.
No, then I have to explain. Na? Any mistake, then I have to explain. B. Fourth one. Velocity depends upon wavelength and density. Wavelength, density and acceleration due to gravity, some power x, y, z. This means m0, L1, t minus 1. Meter per second, so L1, t minus 1. Wavelength means length, L raised to x. Density is mass, m1, upon volume, L minus 3 raised to y. G is meter per second square raised to z. So m0, L1, t minus 1, this will be m raised to y, x minus 3y plus z, t minus 2z. So y is 0, x minus 3y plus z is 1, minus 2z is minus 1. So we can say, therefore 2z is 1, z is half. So we got z, we got y0. Now from 2, x minus 3 into 0 plus half is 1. X plus half is 1. X is 1 minus half. Therefore, x equals to half. So V is lambda x half, phi 0, G also half. That means V proportional lambda half, G half. Square it. So V square lambda G, option B. Now followed?
Understood.
Once you complete, tell.
Done, sir.
Now, fifth answer, did you get as C?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you got fifth answer as C?
2%. Yes, yes.
Okay. Sixth answer as also C?
Yes.
All zeros are significant?
20.20.
20.20. Anybody is not getting, please tell her. It is not that one student got, we'll move ahead. So now till 6, I think there is no doubt, correct?
No doubt.
Seventh one is the answer B. Seventh one, did you get answer as B?
Sir, I got
No,
answer
sir.
as D.
What you got?
I got D.
D. D for donkey.
Yes.
Okay, just check. Error in A, B, C, D are 1%, 2%, 3%, and 4% respectively. Then which of the following has error of 7%? We'll check one by one. First one, A raised to 3 upon B upon C. So it is 3 times error in A plus 2 plus 3. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and 2, 8. So this is not our answer. Second one. Second is given D upon A cube. D means 4 plus 3 into A, 7%. So I'm getting here only B. Now D, let us check why it is not there. D. D is D square A. That means it is 2 into 4 plus 1. It will become 9. So this is not the answer. We want 7. B is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Till 20, I'm telling you answers after this, so that you will come to know mistakes. Yes, done. 7th.
Yes, sir.
8th answer, 8th one. Is it D?
Yes, sir. Relative error and percentage error.
Yes. Measure of accuracy depends upon both relative and percentage, both B and C. Option D. 9th one. The physical quantities which have same dimension as t raised to minus 1. This you may not know because many quantities are new, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see one by one all the quantities which will have dimension as t raised to minus 1. We will check. First one, frequency. Is the dimension of frequency t raised to minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is linear velocity. Linear velocity means in translation motion velocity. It is meter per second. So this is not the answer where both are having t minus 1. So I think first A option cleared. Why it is not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Velocity gradient. Velocity gradient means ratio of change of velocity with respect to distance. Whenever gradient comes, it is with respect to distance. Change in velocity or velocity both have same dimension. L1 e raised to minus 1 is change in velocity. Dx is length L1. That means it will become t raised to minus 1. Velocity gradient we are getting t raised to minus 1. Then they have given radioactive disintegration. Radioactive disintegration means number of radioactive atoms disintegrating or lost per unit time. Number has got no unit, dt has got second, so its dimension will be t raised to minus 1. That means in B, both are matching. Velocity gradient, t raised to minus 1. Radioactive disintegration, dn by dt is also t raised to minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will explain you third also. Just copy this one so that you come to know about quantities. Answer we got. B is the answer. In this chapter, whenever it will be dimension wala part, there are few quantities you may not know. In due course, you will know that quantities as we go on doing all other chapters. So don't be worried that dimension you didn't got. But order of magnitude, significant figure, error, this you should get every time. Once you are done, please say, huh?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now C and D will check why they were not correct. Can I clear this, Shruti? Hello,
Yes,
Shruti.
sir. Yes, sir.
C. Angular velocity. Angular velocity. This we'll study in chapter called law of motion. Angular velocity is denoted by omega. It is 2 pi into frequency. That means it has got dimension of frequency, and frequency is t raised to minus 1. So first part is so correct. Wave number. Have we done wave numbers dimension? If you remember, have we done this?
So
Wave
we have
number.
done wavelength, right?
No, wave number also we have done.
No,
Wave number we did in day 1 assignment. Wave number means 1 upon wavelength. That means L raised to minus 1. Not matching. C is not the answer. D. Again, wave number and Rydberg's constant. Wave number and Rydberg's constant. Wave number equals to L raised to minus 1. Rydberg's constant unit is meter raised to minus 1. So that will be also L raised to minus 1. We want T raised to minus 1. So correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Just copy why others are not answered. Then I will go to 9.
Sir,
Yes.
where is this Rydberg's constant used?
Pardon?
This Rydberg's constant, where is it used?
That will be used in chapter called atoms, molecule, nuclei. In 12th standard, you will get 1 upon lambda is R into 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. R is called Rydberg's constant. When electron jumps from one orbit to another orbit, then it gives energy. In that energy, we will get one term, me raised to 4. M means mass, E is charge of electron, 8 epsilon 0 square h cube c. This total quantity is called Rydberg's constant. Its value is 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter. This will come in 12th standard.
Yes.
So that's why don't buy it. Slowly it will come in your mind when it is taught. Only the thing, when you don't know, you ask me. That's it. Completed 9th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whichever you were not knowing, please practice today. So today I will not give any homework. Same thing you have to practice again to make it perfect. Or 10 sum I will give you. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 10. Anybody got 10th answer as B?
Sir, I think it's A.
Yes, I also got it.
A, sir, A.
Correct answer is
Even me.
correct answer is B, huh? N is a numerical, U is a unit. Like if it is 3, M is unit meter of an object. So this 3 meter will be constant na, for a given object. So can I say NU is always constant? Can I say like that?
Yes, sir.
That means from here if you do, N will be constant upon U. That means N is inversely proportional to U. That is option B. If 3 becomes 300, That means number becomes large, then unit will become small, na? Centimeter. So they are
Yes,
ulta.
sir.
That's why inversely proportional option. Very important sum. Generally, everybody will write A as you have written. No problem. See, don't be afraid. This chapter, dimension wala part, yes, it is difficult. Significant figure, error, and order will be easy. This is difficult only because quantities are unknown.
Done, sir.
11. Did you get C?
Yes, sir. A is
Yes,
true
sir.
and D is false.
C.
R
Why
is
it is C? When we change unit of measurement, its numerical value changes. Yes, very true. So वो correct है. Then smaller the unit, smaller the number. ये wrong है. So C is option is C. A is true. R is false. Correct na?
yes.
11th answer C. 12th one. This you will know if you know the conversions, which I think you don't know. 1 pico means 10 raised to minus 12.
minus 12.
And 1 giga. Sometimes you can Google it to get the
10
result.
raised to
10
9.
raised to 9.
Yes, then very good. You have done that means. So required ratio will be 10 raised to minus 12 upon 10
On that is to 9. So minus 9.
minus,
It will be 12. It means like 12 minus 12 minus 9.
so 21 minus 12 minus 9, 21. So answer is B. Trisha followed?
Yes, sir. I know this concept.
Okay. Done this also?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about in current electricity something called as resistance?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is unit of resistance?
Ohms.
Ohms, correct.
Ohm.
What is reciprocal of resistance called?
Per ohm, which is sign mark.
Resistivity.
Reciprocal of resistance is called as conductance. So its unit is reciprocal of ohm
Yes, sir.
and
Ohm per.
SI unit of conductance is ohm raised to minus 1 or omega raised to minus 1 or inverted omega or MHO, that is mho, or Siemens. These are its units. So Siemens says unit of what? Conductance. That is option A. Unit of conductance. Option A. Completed?
Done, sir.
Okay. 14th one. 14th. Again here, if we know some relations, we can do distance between Earth and star is measured in light year, correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
Light year is distance between Earth and stars, light year. So first option is third. Second one, let us see. Interatomic distance in solids Interatomic distance in solids.
Micron.
Yes, correct. Micron. So option 2, micron. Size of nucleus is in Fermi. So fourth one, Fermi.
So, but as per this, micron is not the second one, no? Micron is given as the first one.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Micron is first one. Yeah. Wait.
So, sir, actually, as per the
No,
option,
no,
we
no,
get
no.
it like
Wait. Don't shout. Interatomic distance is angstrom. 10 raised to minus 10 coordinate. Angstrom. So second one. It is not in micron. Micron will be 10 raised to minus 6. Infrared is in micron. That is one. So correct option is B. Now why infrared is micron, that you see. I think we all know electromagnetic series starts with gamma. Gamma means internal. From nucleus there is decay. Then X-ray. Then ultraviolet. Then visible. Then infrared, if you remember. So visible means red के बाद वाला infrared आएगा ना. Red का wavelength and this visible wavelength is in 10 raised to minus 7. So this becomes slightly greater, 10 raised to minus 6. So correct option is B. B is the correct option.
so what will be the value of Fermi?
10 raised to minus 15. For me, is 10
That
raised
is
to
femto,
minus 15. Yes, that is same as femto. Done 14th?
Yes.
15th one, select the correct statement. A dimensionally correct equation may be incorrect. Yes, C is correct statement. C. Because dimension may, if you don't write constant, then also it will get correct. 16th is again all new terms. So one by one we'll see all those terms. Boltzmann constant. Anybody heard this Boltzmann's constant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think in one sum I told you. This is denoted by K. It is universal gas constant upon Avogadro number. Unit is joule per coulomb. Kelvin.
Sir, Joule per Kelvin.
Joule per Kelvin is the unit. So is it dimensionless? No. Unit means it will have dimension. So this answer is not correct.
Sir, it will be Poisson's ratio and relative density.
Correct. Poisson's ratio and relative density. Correct. See, many
Because
times
ratio
you
has no units.
correct. I
that
got
way
it.
we can
Yeah,
identify.
I got it. Yes. Many times you don't know quantity, but you know logic. Planck's constant comes in formula of energy of photon or light. It is given by h into frequency nu. H is called Planck's constant. So this is joule. This is 1 upon second. So SI unit is joule second for Planck's constant. The unit means it will have dimension. Now Poisson's ratio. Even if you don't know what is Poisson's ratio, yes, somebody rightly said it is ratio means similar quantity. So Poisson ratio is two strains. One is called lateral strain. In mechanical properties of solid, we'll study this. Upon longitudinal strain. Strain means change in dimension. That means if this is one wire, when you pull it, then its length will increase and this area will slightly decrease. So ratio of change in radius upon radius is called lateral strain. Ratio of change in length to the original length is called longitude. So because it is ratio of same strain, no unit, no dimension. So no unit, therefore no dimension. Relative density you are aware of. It is density of a body or liquid with respect to water. This has also no unit, no dimension. So second and third, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Third and fourth are correct. That is given in option C. Please in your mind, while doing revision, by heart, Boltzmann constant, 2-3 times you repeat in your mind. R upon Na, R upon Na, R upon Na, Joule upon Kelvin, Joule upon Kelvin, Joule upon Kelvin, you will remember. Write all properly, even though you have not studied, right? So that you will remember. And then when it comes in the chapters, it will become acknowledgement. Yes, written 17, 16 full.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Come to sum number 17. Consider the following two statements A and B and identify the correct answer. Two quantities which are to be added must have same dimension. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, correct. You can add only two quantities which are of same nature. So first one is correct. Second one. Two quantities which are to be multiplied must have same dimension. Not necessary, no?
It's not
Yes,
necessary.
yes.
Not necessary
Sir,
because
A is the answer.
when we multiply force and displacement, they are different quantities. Still we can multiply. So one is true and two is false. Option A. 18. Pair of physical
Work and
quantities.
energy.
Work and energy, correct. Work energy, same dimension. B. 19th, anybody got answer?
No, sir, I didn't got.
How you started? How you have started this?
Sir, I think it is 1.6 because the volume of a cube is side cube, so 2.5 the whole cube.
Volume of cube is side cube, okay? Perfectly right.
So 2.5.
2.5 cube
The
is
whole-
also right. 2.5 cube is 6.25 into 2.5. That will become
So 6.250.
15.625. This much you got first? First,
Yes, sir.
normal operation you have to do. Then you have to
Yes.
think of rule. This is how many significant digit? 2, no? 2.5, how many significant digits?
2.
So that means final answer also must be in 2 significant digits.
Yes.
Final answer must be in 2 significant figure. So 15.625 is 5 significant. I want only 2. So I have to see the rounding off. Is it more than 5? That's 6.
Yes, sir.
So answer will come 16.
Yes.
This is the answer 16. That is B option. 2 digit you have to write, so you have to round off. Rounding off, you have to see the third digit. Because
Sir,
it is
but
more than 5, increase by 1.
Sir, I thought it will be 1.6 because 15.625.
Fifteen into.
No, sir, no, sir. No.
See, 2 itself is greater than 1. So cube, how it will be 1? When you cube 2, it will be more than 1, na? Because 2 ka cube 2.5 is. Gauravi, how many you got correct?
What, sir?
How many you got correct?
Say 18.
18 you got correct, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, say. Can I clear this now?
yes, sir.
What you were asking? Somebody was asking something. So till 19th, no doubt. Gauravi, you are doing excellent work. Huh? If 18 correct means you are bound to get admission. Guaranteed.
Thank you, sir.
I'm clearing this and going to 20th now. Arrange the following physical quantities in decreasing order of dimension of length. So I have to check all dimension and decreasing order of length से arrange करना है. One by one we'll find first dimensions. Density is mass upon volume. Pressure is force upon area. So dimension is M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. Then power is work upon time. Dimension is M1. Are you remembering dimension?
L0.
M1, L2, T minus 2 is work upon T1. So this will come M1, L2, T minus 3. Then impulse means force into time. That will be M1, L1, T minus 2 into T1. M1, L1, T minus 1. We have to arrange in decreasing order. So 2 is maximum. Decreasing matlab from larger to smaller. Power has L raised to 2, that is greatest. After 2, we have 1, that is impulse. Then we have L minus 1, pressure. Then we have density. So this is the order, correct is D. So that means indirectly they have asked you whether you know the dimension of all these quantities or not. First third came, then impulse fourth came, then pressure second wala, density 1. So now 1 to 20 all I have explained you. If you had any doubt, we have done. Completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now homework, write down 21 to 30. 21 to 30, same page, huh? And then 43 to 72. थोड़ा ज्यादा काम दिया है 40 some, because which you don't know you have to skip ना. 43 to 72. 31 to 42 you are not going to do. This is from that page number 19 onwards wala page. 21 to 30 and 43 to 72. Written, then I will start further. Shall I clear this everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your test portion you are knowing, na? Sunday's test portion.
Yes, all the MCQs.
Which,
Sir, actually, I just wanted to tell you that can you just like postpone this Sunday test because we have chemistry and bio also test.
no,
on
no,
that
no.
day.
I can't postpone test because other subject is having test. Will you ask same thing to those teachers?
But actually, last time chemistry sir did not take because of like physics. we had.
No, no. I cannot do this. I have got regular test. My subject is difficult one, and if I don't keep continuous test, it will be difficult for you to get the mark. See, I don't mind skipping any test. It will give me relaxation. But I don't want to relax because if you want in medicine, you have to be on toes. And secondly, we are discussing all sums. It is not I am giving you some sums where you have to practice without knowing. So regular you practice, nothing will happen. See, I don't know whether you are aware, final exam in NEET or JEE or CET, all the three subjects will be there, na beta? And that to all chapters, no? Now, so it is hardly 100 MCQ. May say I am telling I will keep 45 days. Same way, it may be other subject also. I can give you relaxation of time. I will send paper at 4. Then as per your timing, you complete it. That I can do, na?
Yes, sir.
See, it is nothing but habit. Make yourself habitual. Now what will happen? Suppose you get less mark. Yes, I know that you have 3 subjects, you may not get good marks. But you should get good because we are discussing all. If I give you all unseen, then I can understand, yes, you got less mark. But all discussed sum, out of that, when I am picking some good sums, then hardly 2-3 should go wrong. Na? What do you say?
Yes, sir. I understand.
So I think you'll be able to do, don't worry. And keep on doing, because that you have to become now habitual of hard works. If you are trying for medicine, because it requires hard work. Only because competition is tough. The seats are less. Still, if you feel no, we cannot do, I can skip, don't worry. But personally, I feel it should be kept. Now, it is decision is yours. You tell me on Friday, I will obey that decision. What else I can tell?
So it's fine. Like we keep it on Sunday.
Come to page number 29. Page number 29, the sums which we have been doing in the class, and those 19 wala is our homework and doubt solving. In this I had completed till I think 19.
Yes, sir.
Just check a 19th or 18th we did.
19th.
19th, no? Okay. 20th. Page number 29 onwards one. Very, 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 very important sum this one is. Period of oscillation of simple pendulum is given by 2 pi root L upon. Measurement value of L is 10 centimeter. With accuracy of 1 millimeter means there was chance of error of 1 millimeter. That is called accuracy of 1 millimeter. So that we write as DL. Time for 100 oscillation of a pendulum is, total time is 50 seconds, and error in that time is 1 second, which is called resolution. 1 second resolution is 1 second error. Now dt upon t is same as d time period upon t. That means if you take this for 100, divide by 100, cancel, okay, ratio will remain same. So this part should be remembered. Total time upon total resolution is time dt upon t. That means for one oscillation, because that ratio में 100 oscillation cancel हो जाता है. ये point थोड़ा important. Now you want error in G, but formula is given of T. I want in G, so I will square it and separate G from here. So can I say T square is 4 pi square L by G? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because we wanted G, so I want to separate. So can I say G will become 4 pi square L upon T square? Now tell, any doubt? No, no? Hello?
No doubt.
Correct. So percentage change in G, 4 pi square is constant, no error. L means percentage change in L. T square means power 2 times percentage change in T. Please copy this one.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now percentage error in length plus 2 times percentage error in T, that will be dl upon L into 100 plus 2 times dt upon T into 100. dl is 1 millimeter and
0.1 centimeter.
I will keep both in millimeter, na, so it will be easier. 10 centimeter is 100 millimeter. Clear, na? So that decimal I have avoided. Any doubt now? No, na? 10 centimeter means 100 millimeter into 100 plus 2 times dt is 1 upon t is 50 into 100. 50 into 2. So this will become 1 plus 4, 5%. 5% is the answer. %5 is the answer.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. So today we'll stop here. Don't take tension. Revise everything what we have done. Homework I have given you slightly more. 10-15 sums I have given more. Only because many sums if you don't know you are going to skip. Na? So let's meet on Friday. Can I keep half an hour early on Friday?